Hey guys!
We are back on BuzzChomp.
Make sure you're subscribed.
Oh yeah, click. Sum us up. Starting our Los Leones.
Woo! Get ready, May hike. Woo! Super steep already.
Closed in on all sides.
Woo! It's very narrow. Really thin. I can fit in it comfortably.
I'm squished. We're almost all the way up to our overlook. Check out Santa Monica Beach.
Less than a half mile to the top. This whole thing is legit uphill. And that's what we're doing now. We made it. Woo!
It's a strong uphill climb, which is well worth it because of the view.
The descent down.
A vast meadow awaits.
Now we're just cruising downhill.
Trying not to fall on our face.
No, we won't. Downhill. We finished.
Badass hike.
Yeah, so awesome.
7 miles.
7 miles all uphill and all downhill.
It was like that third mile that was the bitch.
But it's super awesome views. You could see all the way to Malibu and you could see all the way to Venice.
Highly recommend this. Tune back in
More from Dan and Mandy
on BuzzChomp.
Subscribe!
Thank you. What?
BuzzChomp.